Come in one and another episode of special one word substitution, that is also called SOWS. A child who is believed to have been secretly left in exchange for another. A child who is believed to have been secretly left in exchange for another. This is called changeling, 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 changeling. This is a noun. हिंदी में इसे कहते हैं बदला हुआ बालक. A small building, room used for Christian worship in a school, prison, or in large private house. This is called chapel, 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 chapel. This is a noun और हिंदी में इसे कहते हैं छोटा गिरजाघर. Compelling attractiveness or charm that can inspire or influence others. Compelling attractiveness or charm that can inspire or influence others. This is called charisma, 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 charisma. This is a noun. हिंदी में इसे कहते हैं आकर्षण. Exercising a compelling charm which inspires devotion in others. Exercising a compelling charm which inspires devotion in others. This is called charismatic. Charismatic, charismatic, charismatic. This is an adjective और हिंदी में इसे आकर्षक कहा जाता है. A person falsely claiming to have special knowledge or skill. A person falsely claiming to have a special knowledge or skill. This is called charlatan, 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 charlatan. हिंदी में इसे ढोंगी कहा जाता है. Run after in order to catch or catch up with. Run after in order to catch or catch up with. This is called chase, chase, chase. This is a verb and इसे हिंदी में कहा जाता है पीछा करना. A deep fissure in the earth's surface. A deep fissure in the earth's surface. This is chasm. This is chasm. chasm, chasm. This is a noun and the Hindi of it is khai, khai. The base frame of car or other wheel vehicles. The base frame of car or other wheel vehicle. This is called chassis. This is called chassis. chassis, chassis. This is a noun और हिंदी में इसका अर्थ होता है ढांचा. A person employed to drive a private or hired car. A person employed to drive a private or hired car. This is called chauffeur, chauffeur, chauffeur. chauffeur. chauffeur को हिंदी में कहा जाता है मोटर चालक. palm reading, palm reading, palm, palm, reading, palm reading. This is called chiromancy, 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 chiromancy. हिंदी में इसे कहा जाता है हस्तरेखा विद्या. ये एक नाउन है. A group of singers in a church. A group of singers in a church. This is called choir. This is called choir. choir, choir. ये एक नाउन है और इसे हिंदी में गायक मंडली कहा जाता है. A routine task, especially a household one. A routine task, especially a household one. This is called chore. This is called chore. chore, chore. ये एक नाउन है और इसे दैनिक काम कहा जाता है. One who plans and steps and moves in a dance. One who plans the steps and moves in a dance. This is called choreographer. This is called choreographer. 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 नृत्य निर्देशक. A factual written account of important or historical events in the order of their occurrence. A factual written account of important or historical events in the order of their occurrence. This is called chronicle. This is called chronicle. CHRONICLE, chronicle. दिस इज ए नाउन और हिंदी में इसे कहा जाता है कालक्रम से अभिलेखन। कालक्रम से अभिलेखन। एन अरेंजमेंट ऑफ इवेंट्स और डेट्स in the order of their occurrence. An arrangement of events or dates in the order of their occurrence. This is called chronology. Chronology, CHRONOLOGY, chronology. ये एक नाउन है और इसे हिंदी में कहा जाता है कालक्रम। An instrument for measuring time accurately in spite of motion or variations in temperature, humidity, and air pressure. This is called chronometer, CHRONOMETER, chronometer. This is a noun और हिंदी में इसका अर्थ होता है बिल्कुल ठीक समय बताने वाली घड़ी। Rude in a mean-spirited and surly way. Rude in a mean-spirited and surly way. This is called churlish. Churlish, CHURLIS, churlish. This is an adjective और हिंदी में इसका अर्थ होता है अभद्र। Extreme self-confidence or audacity. Extreme self-confidence or audacity. This is called chutpah. Chutpah, CHUTZPAH. चुटपा, दिस इज नाउन। हिंदी में इसे कहा जाता है दुस्साहस। The use of many words where only a few are necessary. The use of many words where only a few are necessary. This is called circumlocution. 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 दिस इज ए नाउन। हिंदी में से शब्द बाहुल्य कहा जाता है। क्लूज अवेलेबल एट ए सीन। Clues available at a scene. This is called circumstantial. Circumstantial. This is an adjective. हिंदी में इसे पारिस्थितिक कहा जाता है। पारिस्थितिक। A fortress is typically one on high ground above a city. A fortress typically one on high ground above a city. This is called citadel. 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 This is a noun. हिंदी में इसे किला कहा जाता है। Making a loud and confused noise. Making a loud and confused noise. This is called clamorous. 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 This is an adjective. इसे हिंदी में कोलाहलपूर्ण कहा जाता है। An extreme fear of being in a small confined place. An extreme fear of being in a small confined place. This is called claustrophobia. 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 छोटे जगह में होने का अत्यधिक डर। Customers collectively. Customers collectively. This is called clientele. 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 This is a noun. हिंदी में इसे ग्राहक गण कहा जाता है। ग्राहक गण। दिस इज ऑल अबाउट टुडेज SOWS। थैंक्स, रिगार्ड्स।